Starting from October 20th, 2025, the US government is ruling out major changes to the citizenship process for green card holders, making it tougher, longer and more heavily scrutinized than ever before. These changes include a more difficult civics test, stricter moral character checks, and in some cases, neighborhood investigations. Now here's a breakthrough of what's changing, why this matters, and how it might affect those on the path to becoming American citizens. As per a report by Newsweek, the US Citizenship and Immigration Services has said that these changes are meant to ensure that only those who fully embrace American values are granted citizenship. However, critics argue that these measures could unfairly cast doubt on the intentions of the immigrants. Now, among the most notable changes is the expansion of the civics test, which evaluates the applicant's knowledge of the US history and the government. Now, let me tell you, the new test will require applicants to correctly answer 12 questions out of 20, drawn from a pool of 128 questions, a significant increase from the previous requirement of 6 correct answers out of 10. As per reports, the applicants will have 2 opportunities to pass the test, but failure on the second attempt will result in denial of the citizenship. Now, another key area of focus is the assessment of an applicant's good moral character. Officers will now go beyond checking for the absence of criminal activity. Now, this may include neighborhood investigations, a practice that hasn't been widely used since 1991. Now, this could include reviewing testimonial letters from employers, co-workers or community members, or conducting interviews with people who know the applicant. However, these investigations will not be conducted across the board, but will instead be carried out at the discretion of the officers based on specifics of each individual case. White House Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller has stated that the government is recruiting what he called homeland defenders to carry out interviews for green cards, work visas, and citizenship applications. Investigation of this kind involving such a high level of scrutiny have not been carried out on such a large scale since 1990s, marking a significant return to a much rigorous approach. Now, for Indian immigrants, the impact could be significant. Indians are the second largest immigrant group in the United States, and in 2024 alone, nearly 49,700 Indian nationals were naturalized, accounting for 6.1% of all new US citizens. Only Mexico had a higher share. As these changes take effect, the path to US citizenship will become even more demanding and more uncertain than ever before. For millions of immigrants striving to call America their home, the stakes have never been higher. What are your thoughts in this video? Do let us know in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.